right by the Martinsburg Park, and the winds have seriously picked back up again. We're right by the Martinsburg pool. You can see it right there. It's on the other side of that fence. It's just crazy through here. There's the park. You can just listen to the roar in this wind. We're definitely under them high wind warnings. Gusting in the 40s up to 50 right now. Blowing about 30 miles an hour. Let's look over at the park trees. You can just see how they're just blowing. These trees are like 100 feet tall. You can see it at the Martinsburg pool. I wasn't lying to you about being so cold because nobody's even swimming today. This is supposed to be the first day of swimming. You can see it right there. Nobody's up there. It's too cold. This is the coldest May 25th I've ever seen in over 20 years. You see people's heading to the park instead of heading swimming. You can see there's not even that many cars in the parking lot. Maybe about a greater 20 to 30. There's just not much going on. Everybody just decides to go out and have picnics. No swimming today because it's too damn cold. That's what sucks. Well, for me, this is Sean and fiance Wendy saying, hold on, what's picking up? Just look at the park trees. Just look at the park trees blow. Facing up to it right now. And you can also double check again. See my fiance's in the coat again. It's just up that street is the Martinsburg pool and baseball field. Just too cold to go swimming. As you can see, the umbrellas are down, not up. They'd be up if the pool was open. It's just too dang cold. We're gonna get right by these trees. I'm gonna prove to you all how bad these winds are blowing. It's just out of control here. It's like we're in a severe thunderstorm, but a nice day looking severe thunderstorm. Because see the way the leaves are blowing? Well, it's calming down a bit now finally, but well, there's the Martinsburg Library, upstairs banquet hall. There's the playground for all the kids. We got one of the biggest parks ever in Central PA. Carnival coming here just a little over 1 month. Ball Amusement Parks is what it's called. It comes every end of July to the beginning of, or actually end of June to the beginning of July. Sorry about that. Just a windy day around here. Colder than hell. And you can see up there where it's empty, that space is clear in the back. That's where the carnival's going to be at within the next month. And they'll be filled with nothing but rides. And there's the playground. One of the biggest playgrounds ever in Central PA today. It's huge. It's really big. If you can look and see, way over there, the flags, the wind's actually coming down a little bit, but it's really out of control earlier today. was very out of control. You can see the flags blowing. Actually, the wind's starting to pick back up a little bit because look at the flag. We're right by the Martinsburg police station right now. The new one. It's the new one here in town. It's on the main street of Wards, actually. Right alongside the park. See it, Martinsburg Borough, brand new. Just going through town here. There's a lot of people upset because they couldn't go swimming today. This is one of the coldest Mays ever in history around here. Extremely cold. Very cold. And this wind just goes from calm to crazy in like every 1-2 minutes. It's not as bad as it was, but it was blowing like over 60 earlier. But it's like down, gusting to about maybe 45 now at some spots. You can like hear the wind just gust back up. Because nobody on YouTube has any videos of Martinsburg hardly on here, so I thought maybe I could be the one to share it and put it on. It's just such a beautiful day outside. We're heading deeper into town right now. And this darn wind, man, oh man, it just can't stop blowing. It wants to go from freaking calm to crazy, calm to crazy. It's just non-stop bullshit, man. We're pretty much right in the heart of town now. Pretty much. Man, is it picking back up again? Just look at the trees here in front of us. Look at the little tree over there. You can see it right there. This is just freaking nuts. You can see on the other side of town, Lock Mountain, which is nice and beautiful. It's a big mountain. So this wind, right in the heart of town right now. We're like right in the center of Martinsburg, Pennsylvania. It's a decent sized town, about size 2,600 people. I think from 2,400 to 2,600. It's not too big, but it's a nice decent little size. It's not bad. It's really not too bad at all. Listen to that wind, it like calms down and it just bears back up again. We're in the center of midtown Martinsburg right now. We're like right in the center. And I know this has never ever been on Facebook, or I don't think it hardly ever hasn't been on YouTube, but there's the new Mammy's Cafe. This spot where me and my fiance is walking in now, this used to be an apartment building. It caught on fire a long time ago. Now it's a parking lot. As you can see it. Well, I'm signing off. That's it.